السلام عليكم السلام عليكم. انا بابا المصري اسكندراني. This is Alexandria, Egypt recipe, okay? Alexandria, Egypt recipe. Today we're gonna cook snapper head. We're gonna do it butterfly. Open it up.
Ooh, what?
Oh shit! It's still.
Why is it?
That shit. It's still.
Why is his mouth moving?
Still. Oh my god!
What the?
What? It's still alive, man.
What?
It's still alive,
It's
brother.
fresh. So fresh.
Still fresh, man.
So fresh, baby.
Oh, come on, baby. Then we're gonna cut it.
Oh.
Get the knife. Man,
It's
still moving.
why is it? The fuck?
Leave it, man.
Oh.
Leave it.
Ah! Hey! Fuck! Still.
Move the knife in. Move the knife in.
Sorry, buddy.
Sorry, buddy. Yet. Not yet.
Whoa.
Here we go.
That's what it looks like.
Garlic. Chili. Garlic. Cumin. Pepper. Salt. And throw a little bit of lemon. Olive oil here.
Olive oil.
Use your hands.
Use our hands.
Yeah.
We got these mussels too, look.
Put it down there. Look here.
So we got the mussels.
Some olive oil.
Oh. Beautiful.
Then you get the piece of potato. Just cut it like that.
Oh, nice.
Lemon. Everywhere, lemon.
Lemon everywhere.
Lemon. Yeah, lemon. This is Alexandria, Egypt recipe, okay? Alexandria, Egypt recipe.
It's
120.
Bye-bye.
Bye, baby. Half an hour.
Half an hour.
What do you think?
I think it looks good. Let's see. Firmness, check. Ooh, it's thick.
Oh,
It looks good.
check this out.
Oh, wow. Eat that piece. Whoa. Try it, piece.
You grab.
That's delicious. Cheers.
In Alexandria, they eat it with the shell.
Really?
See? They eat it with the shell.
Just like that?
With the shell. Because the
Alright,
shell
I'll
have
try.
a lot of vitamin.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow, look at that.
Do the shell here. Here. You were good. Yeah.
Do you like that? Nice soup, fish soup. Going to town. Mussels for mussels. Ooh. Mussels for mussels.
Mussels. Now look at this. I give
That's
you
a big one.
Here. Oh, look at this, huh? Here. Here. Yeah. Ah. I had this one. Here. No. Yeah, I love it.
Bon appetit. Going in my mouth.
Look at your hair. That's it. Finito.
Voila.
Well,
Cheers.